video, I'm going to show you some of the best service-based businesses that you can start right now. You don't have to have any inventory. You don't have to have a storefront or a big budget. Now, I had to do this video, guys, because if you've ever searched on YouTube service-based business ideas, you've probably seen the same tired recycle information like lawn care services, babysitting, or something like painting. There are way better options out there that barely anyone is talking about. Real people are using these to earn consistent income. Many of these are making over 6 figures and they are flying completely under the radar. So in this video, I'm going to break down what they are, how much people are actually making with these, and exactly how you can get started. So if you guys are ready to find a business you can start this week, let's get into it. All right, let's go. Okay, so first up is one you probably didn't expect, and that is a pooper scooper business. And yes, I am talking about picking up dog poop. Now, I'm not talking about this very long at all because I know this is not for everybody, but I interviewed Erica Kruppen, who started this, and made over $250,000 in 1 year. She's even had $1,000 days. And no, this is not glamorous, but the money is real. And I'm telling you guys, it's a great way to make money if you're trying to figure out just what can you do. This is a problem that's in demand and people are willing to pay for this. So if you want to learn how to get started with this, I'm gonna put the link to our interview in the description below because there's no course you need to take. Just watch the video. She gives you every single thing you need to get, all the tools, how to get clients, everything you need to know on how to be successful in this. It's in that video. So I'm gonna put it in the description below so you can check it out. Next is PDR, Paintless Dent Removal. Now this is a niche service that removes minor dents from vehicles without repainting it. Now watching this is strangely satisfying and it racks up millions of views on YouTube and TikTok. You don't even have to show your face, just record your work and people are glued. So you're not just making money from the service, you can also make a passive income from the content. Now let's talk numbers. A lot of PDR techs charge anywhere from $150 to $500 per dent. You're getting the dent out of these vehicles. Now, depending on the size and location, that's how you can make more money. Now, this is obviously a skill that you have to learn. So in order to learn how to do this, there's hands-on training programs all across the US on how to do this stuff. And some even starter kits include job placement help. Now, you can also find solid beginner tutorials right here on YouTube University. I say start there and practice this, build a portfolio. Once people see your results, then they'll pay you to fix what the body shop would charge double for. This is a niche service. It's high demand, low competition. But let me know if it's something you're interested in because I absolutely love this idea. This is going to be a problem that people are always going to have and want fixed, and they would rather pay you than double the price at these body shops. So this is a great service that I highly recommend. If you're interested in this, check it out. Next up is one of my favorites. It's actually my favorite because it's not just a service business, it's a scalable system. So I had Andy all day on my channel to talk about this, and he helps businesses get more customers using the system called chat automation. He charges $400 per client every single month. And guess how many clients he has? Over 100. That's $40,000 a month in recurring income. So if you're looking for a real way to make money that doesn't take your time and life away, I want you guys to check out that video. He shows you exactly what to do and how it works. There are no excuses, y'all. You know, you're not running any ads, you're not doing any complicated tech. You're solving a real problem, and this system works if you work it. So take advantage of this because he's giving crazy value in that video for free. Next is a platform called Sharetown. Now, Sharetown is a company that helps businesses resell, return, or gently used items. Now, the company's primary focus is to keep products out of the landfills. So here's how it works. You sign up as a seller with Sharetown and they notify you when they have a shipment. You pick up what you want for free and then you post those products online like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace to sell. The types of items that they're reselling are things like furniture, mattresses, home goods, electronics, and appliances. These are all good things that you can make a good margin on to actually profit from this. So you resell these items and make a commission. But Sharetown also makes a percentage because they are the ones that coordinated the items from the original stores, like a Walmart, for example, to you. Now, you don't pay anything to get into this, but you do need a truck. Now, Stacy earns, look how much she makes.
On average, make about $3,000 to $4,000 a month.
And she only spends 6 to 10 hours a week on this business. So for her full breakdown on how she does this, I'm gonna put the video in the description below so you guys can check this out if you're interested. All right, next, meal prep delivery. So if you love cooking or health and wellness, this one is for you. Now let me give you an example. Eat Clean Bro started with just 3 people cooking in a shared kitchen. Now they make over $300,000 a month and deliver thousands of meals weekly. How? They picked a niche, macro-friendly meals for business professionals and stuck to it. And you can do the same. Choose your lane: keto, vegan, high protein, or family meals. Use a certified kitchen, offer weekly subscription plans, and partner with local gyms or yoga studios to build awareness. It's scalable if you want it to be, or you can just stay local. But this is demand. People are always looking for healthier food done for them, like me. So let me know if this is something you guys are interested in the comment section. Now, next up is becoming a loan signing agent. Now, I recently saw this retiree post just 5 days ago how he's making $10,000 a month doing this. This is how it works. Every time someone buys a home, refinances, or signs mortgage paperwork, someone has to walk them through the documents and notarize them. That's what loan signing agents do, and they make $75 to $200 per appointment, and they take less than an hour. So I interviewed John Flick, who earns $5,000 to $7,000 a month doing this. He took a course, got his notary commission in Virginia. He signed up with multiple signing services and got his first job within 48 hours of applying after he was officially certified in Virginia. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm gonna put the interview in the description below that I did with John, so you can see step by step really what it took to what he went through and like what the daily activities are to see if this is right for you. And now the last one, it's not glamorous, but it's profitable. Trash can cleaning. Sounds random, right? But it works. People roll their gross bins to the curb every week, and most never clean them. And in neighborhoods like mine, we have to put ours in the garage. And it is not a good look to have a stinky garage bin stinking up the garage. Ask me how I know. Now, this is something most people don't want to clean, so you can do like Justin does. You show up with a pressure washer, you do the dirty work, and people are happy to pay. You don't need one of those $100,000 rigs some people talk about. Justin does this, and he recommends that you start with what you have. Learn the process, build a route, and then scale. But cleaning bins just gets you in the door. The bigger picture is to be able to upsell other things eventually, like pressure washing, gutter cleaning, or landscaping. And the marketing for this, just to get in the door, you put sticky note flyers on top of trash bins. So when the homeowner brings their bin back in, boom, your flyer is right there, reminding them how gross it is, making the homeowner want to go ahead and take that sticky note and get their garbage bin washed and cleaned, because trust me, that strategy works. Ask me how I know. So with a basic pressure washer, you can start small and earn $1,000 to $2,000 a month and upsell to make more. So that's it. What you guys think? Now, I love to see who sticks around to the end of my video. So which service-based businesses that I mentioned would you want to start? Any of them? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see how Andy is pulling in $40,000 a month, check out this video right now to see if this is what you want to do too. I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite. Now, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.